After the big changes happened in Afghanistan, this is our first trip to Islamabad. We have been here for many different programs and conferences, especially people-to-people dialogues, and we believe that the two nations which are inseparable, they can work together, they can go together, and mostly in this program, we discuss about trade, transit, and about the situation of Afghanistan. The changes happened, and our request from the Pakistani side was to help in this situation, help Afghan people, and try to provide humanitarian aids from Pakistan and through Pakistan, which other countries are providing. The thing is, like, there are lots of economic problem and everything is frozen now. So Afghans need help of international community, especially Pakistan, which is the first neighbor who we share longest geography, and their help is most effective, especially in this situation.